Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ipong. Wish, blow. Ikaw di ay, ikaw di birthday. Happy birthday, Pong. We have, mag-English na may karon kay special day good mo. Happy birthday, Pong. We are so glad to have a brother like you. A very supporting, loving, caring, responsible, patient, and most of all, a handsome kuya. We don't choose to call you kuya, but our respect to you is more than calling you that word. Well, today is your special. So, I wish that your family will be strong as what we have. So, don't be sad that you are there far from us because we are here always to you.
Yes, Pong. Happy 33rd birthday. Mag-English yun because it's your special birthday as what Jan has said. Indeed, we are so thankful to have you as our brother, you and Bonbon, because you are both there who are very willing to help us, who always supported and guided us. Especially ni mo Pong, since wala na silang daddy o si mommy, but you are there to who took their place. You supported us, as I said, guided patiently. You're so patient nga, nagkuan na mo. We are so proud to have you. We're not ashamed. We're so proud to tell the whole world that we have a brother like you. So we are hoping and always praying that you are in a good shape always, and you are in a safe place, and you are always safety. I know that God has plans for us, and I know that God is always watching us, and He will guide us in His path. So don't give up, because rest assured that Jesus will take our will. So no worries, just have faith in Him.
Na,
Happy birthday po.